Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. I'm actually in my new house. This is my first tea video I'm filming in my new house, so I'm in front of my tea wall. It probably looks just about the same as the old setup, except for like I changed everything around, but this is my new home. So let me know, do you think it looks any different? The wall color is a little different than it was at my old apartment. It was like pink there, but here is like more of a white. So I hope you guys like the new look, if it looks new at all. But I made my first order from DAVIDSTea in a long time. They had a lot of good deals going on. I don't remember exactly what they were, but I think it was part of like their summer sale. So I kind of stocked up. I got a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna review for you guys, and I got some of my old favorites. So I think I'll start with my old faves and then go into like the newer, more exciting stuff, because I did kind of branch out this time. I decided to get some more Zestfully Green. I got 4 ounces. I opened one of them up and like really carefully peeled off the label so I could put it on a green tin. I love this tea so much. It is dusted with matcha and it has like tons of ginger in it and orange peel. And it's just like my ultimate morning tea. It has licorice root too, so it's nice and sweet, but also savory from like that ginger and everything. So I have a whole nother bag of this. I'm gonna add that to there once I get a little low, but this is gonna be my morning tea for the next like couple weeks, I think. So the next one I got was 4 ounces of Detox. This is the original Detox. DAVIDSTea did do like a new version of this that included much more lemon, but when I saw the old version up for sale on their website, I kind of like just wanted to get some of this before it's gone. This was one of my favorites when I worked at DAVIDSTea. It has rooibos and sencha green tea, so it's like really hydrating but also energizing. And there's organic lemongrass, organic ginger, organic juniper berries, organic ginkgo biloba, and natural lemon flavoring. So I think, I don't know, maybe this is the new version because I don't remember the ginkgo biloba. Let me open it up and give it a sniff and see if it's the new version. I thought I was ordering the old version, but I like the new one too. So either way, I would have bought it. But if I had to choose, I probably would have picked the old version because it's like a little less lemony. Oh yeah, this is the old version. Good, good, good. I'm so happy. Oh. It was one of my favorite things to drink when I worked at DAVIDSTea. I don't really believe in like detox because, you know, you have organs in your body that detox your body, so you don't really have to like drink or eat anything special for that. Like your body is detoxing all the time. Like it's ridding itself of toxins as we speak here. So that's not why I like seek out detox teas, but I do feel really good when I drink this tea because of like the rooibos. I'm getting nice and hydrated and like full of electrolytes. Green teas like full of antioxidants and just taste amazing. The lemongrass makes me feel really refreshed. And I love like the savoriness of the juniper berries. It's like that like pine kind of thing. Like I remember when I worked at Starbucks for a little bit and it was Christmas, we had a juniper latte and we were told to describe it as like literally tasting like Christmas trees. So I really like that. And of course there's ginger in this, so that's another benefit for me. And this is old. This is my favorite tin. I always keep like my go-to in this tin, like the one that I reach for every day. So I'm gonna put this in here. But yeah, this it's pink and it has stars and confetti on it. It was a Christmas tin from I think like 2016, but I still use it daily because there's nothing really Christmassy about it. Like it's just stars and it's pink and gold and pretty. So I have 4 ounces of that, so I'm stocked up for a little while on my favorites. Like once I run out of the Zestfully green, I'll probably drink the Detox as my morning tea for like the time being, and then go from there if I want to get something new or go back to Genmaicha or restock one of these guys. We'll see. Now we're on to all the teas I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. So these are the exciting ones. I have strawberries and cream. I was intrigued because it's a oolong, and I think it's only like here for a limited time. So this will probably be one of the first ones that I review. Oh, there's quinoa in it. That's interesting. But I love oolong. I think it's so delicious. So this one, even though it has hibiscus and I don't normally like go for teas with hibiscus, I thought like the oolong, especially because it says milky oolong, like not milk oolong, but like milky. So I can't wait to like dive into this. I'm gonna film this one like right when I'm done filming this haul, so I can't wait. And then we have coconut oolong. This is another one I'm going to review. Again, I think it's like a temporary one. I think it's like going away, but I'm gonna review it anyway because I haven't tried it yet, so I want to try it on camera. Again, I love oolong and I love coconut teas. I've had DAVIDSTea's coconut cream pie, but that has like white chocolate and all of this stuff that's like, it's a bit more like desserty, and I just tend to prefer more like savory teas, but I do love coconut. It looks like this is gonna be pretty simple. Like there's not a whole lot to this, which I think I'm gonna really like because I love when like the oolong can really shine through because it's like too delicious not to. It's so good. Just a straight oolong. If you haven't had the chance to try just like a straight oolong or even a milk oolong, I definitely recommend it because oh my gosh, they're so delicious. And then we have lightning lemon. I think this one is new. It's a mate, and I actually don't have any mates. Oh wait, yeah, I do. I have power berry, but it's really, really old. So I don't even know at this point if I'll drink it. I bought it when I still worked at DAVIDSTea, and it's been discontinued since then, I think, so that's really old. But I decided to add a new mate to my collection and go for this lightning lemon because again, it just sounds like stuff I'd like. It has both Guayusa and green mate and like of course lemongrass and everything, so we'll see how this one is. I prefer all my teas hot. I know this one probably, a lot of these are probably meant to be iced, like a strawberry tea is probably better iced, but that won't stop me from drinking it hot just because that's what I prefer. So that's why like summer, I feel like is sort of a slower time for my channel. Like I don't get as excited in summer, or at least this past summer, because number one, I've been so preoccupied and distracted with moving houses. And like buying a house and everything. So I've just been doing my like once a week video and that's it. But as we get into fall, when it's like truly like hot tea season, that's when I really like get excited and sort of like ramp up my videos and like feel like posting more than once a week. So hopefully soon I'll be doing that. And this one is Tahitian vanilla. It's a rooibos. I normally don't buy too many like caffeine-free teas for myself, but this one I just had to try. I didn't try it when it was new because I wasn't really that excited like hearing about it. I was like, oh, vanilla rooibos, okay. But my friend Tea by Danny, I always hear her rave about this tea. She said it tastes like a cupcake. So she inspired me to pick up some of this. So that's gonna be really good, I bet. She has great taste. We have like different preferences. So it's like, I love watching her videos because it's like, I feel like we have some crossover, but like the teas that she picks are different than like the teas that I choose to buy. Like she chooses different ones than I'd pick. So like I usually don't watch tea videos because I don't like to go into any reviews with any sort of bias. So if it's like something I'm thinking I'll buy, I usually don't watch. But I watched her talk about Tahitian vanilla and I just can't not try it. So I will admit I'm gonna be trying it with some bias because I know she is a fan, but I couldn't not do it when they had this like sale and the free shipping and all of that. I just had to pick some up. And last but not least is one I'm really excited about. I don't know why I didn't buy this when it was new. I think I like didn't look at the ingredients, but then when I did, I was like, ooh, I gotta get that. because it's a mate, so it's color coded with like the magenta for mate, but it has green tea as well. I think that was what, because I wanted to get a morning tea, like I wanted to pick out something with like green tea and ginger, because that's what I like in the morning. And I didn't realize that this is that and more. Like it has turmeric, it has ginger, orange peel, everything I love, and even some black pepper. Oh my gosh. Wow, I feel like this is gonna be like a new favorite for me. But it has mate as well, so they categorized it as a mate, even though it has more green tea than mate in it. So this is gonna be really energizing and really delicious. And again, like those like detoxy flavors are just like flavors that I like and flavors that make me feel good. I don't really believe that it like detoxes you or helps aid like significantly in weight loss or anything like that. It's just something I enjoy. So that is my DAVIDSTea summer sale haul. I'm sure it's not as like big and exciting as I'm sure a lot of your guys' hauls from this sale are. So if you've made it all the way through this video, let me know if you bought anything, if you like stocked up on any teas, whether it's DAVIDSTea or not, but it was a pretty good sale, so I'm happy I got my hands on a couple good things and a couple new things to try with you guys. And I hope you liked my first look at my new setup, and I hope you are having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.